How to post on Facebook Marketplace without your friends seeing. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Facebook application and it will lead you to your homepage, right? Now on the bottom part, you will automatically see Marketplace there. And as you can see, I do not have it. So I can go to your you can go to your shortcut. If you're just like me, you do not have the Marketplace option, then you can go here to your menu area, and here you will see Marketplace, all shortcuts here, and tap on Marketplace and it will lead you to your Marketplace. So let's say you want to sell some products and you don't want your friends to actually see it, then what you want to do is on the left side you will see sell there. Tap on sell and tap on create listing and choose what you want to sell. It's either items, vehicles, home, for sale or rent, say items here, and just input your information here, add the photos, the title, the prices, category, condition, and basically description of the products. Then if you scroll here to your listing options, you will see hide from friends. Since we want to post on Facebook Marketplace without your friends seeing, then you may want to toggle that on and hide it from your friends. So this listing is still public but will be hidden from your friends on Facebook and Messenger in most cases. So here basically just stop if you're done inputting the information here or whatever you're listing. On the upper right you'll see publish and just tap on publish there. And basically that is how you post on Facebook Marketplace without your friends seeing. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.